Hello, it's Friday the 13th of September 2024. I'm just having some plasma healing on my Achilles tendon, which I damaged yesterday playing football. I damaged another muscle in my leg yesterday, but I've already had the treatment for that, which only took 45 minutes to heal. If you didn't have this sort of setup and the system that we got at Maradell's, it would take you weeks of rest to try and get them healed. But this is just an amazing stuff. Anyway, this is the plasma healing. If you've never seen plasma before, this is working its healing on my Achilles tendon as I speak. But anyway, I want to speak to you today quickly about while I've got some minutes, 45 minutes left of doing nothing, I can do this video to just explain to you about the book that I put together to help me to learn Spanish, because I come across many books that had a complete page of Spanish in them, and the next page next to it was a complete page of the English translation, and I found it very difficult to try and keep my spot on the Spanish word and the English word by having to cross pages, trying to keep my fingers on one page and a finger on another page and all sorts of things, and I was getting lost in translation, if that's a great way of putting it. And I was just losing interest in that, and it wasn't teaching me a thing at all, which annoyed me and frustrated me. So I said to myself, let's put a book together myself. So I produced this book, step guide to mastering Spanish through real life scenarios. And this book here is just so perfect for learning. So what I've put together is scenarios of places that you can go in Spain, which are the most popular ones. And I've got a sentence in Spanish and a sentence in English directly underneath. So whatever you're reading, you can see exactly and match the words and what they mean. But not only that, there's 358 pages of this fantastic book. And it covers everything from amusements at castle, all the places you visit, art galleries, baker shop, bathroom, beach, bread shop, butcher shop, cafe, cinema, circus, clothes shop, construction site, dentist, doctors, emergency, all very important, farm, fish shop, forest, mechanics garage, garden, grocers, gymnasium, ice cream parlour, kitchen, library, living room, markets, medical centre, very important, museum, off licence, park, petrol garage, post office, restaurants, school science centres, shop, shoe shop, swimming pool, tobacco shop, town hall, toy shop, transportation and zoo. All the places are very most popular places that you will visit in Spain, with a real life story scenario or someone going in there asking questions about certain things, getting the answers, all in English and Spanish, Spanish and English, with all the translations right next to each other. And it's so easy to follow. But also in this, as I say, there's so much in this that I wanted to put together of all the items in a bathroom that you want to learn, in a bedroom, the car parts, clothes, cosmetics, drinks, fruits and vegetables, parts of a house, parts of a living room, parts of a kitchen, parts of motorbikes, I love motorbikes, musical instruments, and more helpful information like colours, learning colours, compass settings, countries and nationalities, days and months, directions, emotions and feelings, family members, greetings, how to ask about the weather, list of weather, meals of the day, numbers, planets, seasons, tenses, past, present and future tenses, which is great to learn. Also the times, like clock times, times of the day greetings, times of the day, word endings, verbs, English to Spanish verbs, Spanish to English verbs, loads of them, absolutely fantastic, loads of them that you can learn completely through everything. And there's also quite a few of these have got the translations of how you say them in Spanish. So you've got everything there that you need. I don't think I left anything out. I may have done, but everything that I found in this book is needed, and you can learn so much. If you can go through this, even spend 10-15 minutes a day, just a bit by bit, to learn a little bit of it, you're going to get there very shortly, very soon, to learn Spanish and pick up the words. And I just found it so enjoyable. It's just so much easier. You can't get lost from page to page. All the translations are right next to each other. So I'm going to put the link in this anyway, just below afterwards. So just see how you get on with it, because it's fantastic. And I'll speak to you soon.